Hey everyone, I'm James Smith and today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Yellow Brick Formula, a life-changing 5-day workshop with the incredible Sean Donahoe as your guide. This workshop isn't just about learning a skill, it's about learning the one skill that can secure your financial future without the usual online business hassles. And here's the magic touch. If you decide to take this opportunity through the link in the description, you'll gain access to a special list of bonuses I've curated exclusively for you. But here's the catch. You'll need to stick around until the very end of this video to see what those bonuses are and how they'll fast-track your path to financial freedom. Trust me, it's worth every second. Let's start with our review. Introducing the Yellow Brick Formula, a 5-day workshop led by Sean Donahoe, designed to teach you a single skill that can set you on a path to lifelong financial security without the complexities of traditional business models, products, or marketing. On day 1, you'll dive into creating a solopreneur business centered around mastering one core skill. This skill is your key to financial independence, regardless of whether you're an experienced trader or just starting. The objective is to establish predictable online revenue within 60 minutes a day, leaving you with ample time for personal pursuits. Day 2 goes deeper into the cryptocurrency market, focusing on finding hidden opportunities. Learn how to identify and track emerging microcaps, lesser-known cryptocurrencies with significant growth potential. You'll also gain expertise in risk management and verification techniques to ensure the soundness of your investments. Day 3 is about creating lasting wealth without financial stress. Discover how to generate consistent profits and unlock a secret strategy that can multiply your returns. The aim is to build a scalable, profitable business with micro-cap trading while maintaining predictability. On day 4, we execute the plan. We search for deals together, applying a pre-trade checklist to minimize risks and validate your decisions. By the day's end, you'll know how to turn this into a daily, profitable habit. The final day celebrates your progress and success. One lucky attendee will receive a $1,000 success prize, and we discuss the journey ahead. The goal is to continue supporting your path toward financial freedom and independence. The Yellow Brick Formula business model revolves around identifying undiscovered microcap coins, validating them, executing well-calculated trading plans, and compounding profits. With just 60 minutes a day, you can establish this business and potentially enjoy a lifelong, worry-free income. The Yellow Brick Formula operates by finding new micro-cap coins before they gain mainstream attention, leveraging insider sources, and tracking early crypto launches. These coins are then validated and verified using a comprehensive checklist to minimize risk and identify those with the highest potential for substantial gains. The strategy involves making early investments with a calculated trading plan, aiming to maximize returns as the selected coins experience rapid value growth over a relatively short period. Profits are compounded to scale up earnings, ultimately building true passive income streams for long-term financial security. The unique aspect of this approach is that it can be set up in under 60 minutes a day, requiring no special skills beyond the core crypto investing strategy taught. As you master this one skill, it offers the potential to generate hands-off income for life, eliminating financial worries. As we wrap up this review, I want to express my genuine appreciation for your company today. But before we part ways, I've got a little surprise in store, just for you. When you decide to take the next step and invest in this product through the link thoughtfully provided in the description, you're not just securing a valuable product. You're also unlocking an exclusive treasure trove of bonuses, handpicked by me to enhance your journey. Take a moment to explore these distinctive offerings on the screen right now, and when you're ready, simply click that link to claim them all. Your path to success is about to get a lot more exciting, and I can't wait to see you enjoy these tailored rewards.